ever role played in the bedroom?
Cat and
What? No. Meow. But now laugh with you. Welcome back to another video. Today we're here with Babe, aka
Daney.
Yes, and Dad. Say hi, Dad.
One done.
One done. Alright, so today we're here to do the Never Have I Ever challenge with Babe and Daddy. This should be interesting. This should oh dear. Alright, so these questions were randomly gotten from the internet. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Who answered them?
You!
Ready.
So they're gonna hold up the sign, but they're gonna say it at the same time because it's written in red. Alright, first question. Never have I ever gotten a lap dance from a stripper?
I have.
Never?
Never. Why pay for something you get for free?
Oh. Never ever drank my wife's breast milk?
Definitely have. Best liquor.
One time I remember some coming out.
Ew! Okay. Never have I ever.
And we won't go into what the wives feel about it either.
Oh,
We'll leave
God.
that out.
Somebody else should have been here to read these questions. Okay. Never have I ever slide in a girl's DM.
What? Sliding? What the rest?
It's a thing.
Translate.
So it's like if you ever see somebody on social media and go in their direct message and send them a message like, hey.
Oh, definitely not.
No.
I have not. No, them send me in for a daydream.
Yeah. Then you get caught.
Yeah, you know.
Oh dear.
Don't call you back.
You know what
Hello?
is daydream?
What?
Daydream. Think what?
Daydream, pink wall.
No. Some
Vaginas?
website. Some website. Never have I ever broken a bone.
I have not.
I have not.
You've not? You put up I have.
Oh, lie.
have
Sorry, I broke my heel. Yeah, man.
You have?
I've broken a few things, yeah.
Your heel? Is that a bone? I'm
I was
confused.
doing an African dance and I broke
Oh
my
yes,
heel.
yes, I remember that story. Okay, never have I ever went 48 hours without showering.
I have not.
Definitely have. It's a regular occurrence. And if you lived in England, you understand.
More than 48
Oh my
hours.
God. Try 72.
Next
Try
question.
5 days.
Never have I ever role played in the bedroom.
Role play. No. Have not.
I have.
What were you?
I remember
A
one
nurse?
time me and my wife play cat and
What? No.
Okay. Butt club as well.
Lie. Tell them say Tell them say
every time we say she said
meow. But now laugh with you. That was a joke. That was a joke.
she said
No, man.
You're such a banana with you. Never have I ever stuck gum under a desk.
Oh, I have.
I have.
Ew, you guys are
Under a desk,
gross.
on the back of a couch, anywhere possible.
I school underneath the supposed to.
That is disgusting.
Well, you try that. Turn over those tables in a diner.
That is gross. Never have I ever eaten food that fell on the floor.
I have. I waste my chicken
No,
leg.
sir.
No, man, just brush it off
Hey,
and
good God
go.
for that.
So that everything, yeah.
After COVID, though, I'm not pro.
Never have I ever given a fake name.
I have.
All day, every day,
I
you
have.
give fake names. You
Never.
ever given a fake name, Daddy? No?
No.
Every day, everywhere I go, I'm a different.
Well, unless the names that people call me, which are not my real name.
No. Like you ever go
You go
somewhere and
somewhere?
No,
somebody
no.
asks
The
your name?
security ask your name.
Oh, yeah, when I was younger.
Yeah.
To get into strip clubs and stuff, yeah.
Jesus.
Well,
Never have I ever
Now
peed
we
in the shower.
Huh? Never.
Never have I ever peed in the shower. Everybody peeing in the
All
shower.
the time. Everybody does.
You know the show?
I'm not in this game.
But you say everybody. I think so. I have.
Of course.
Yeah.
Never have
How
I
would you
ever.
know?
Did she say of course?
Yes.
Never have I. Never.
God. So
Oh my God. Never have I ever said. No. Never have I ever had sex in a public space. No.
I have.
Sex in a public
With somebody
space.
else.
What do you call public?
Um.
Like a park or a swimming pool or what?
You have, because mommy talk on the things them in the video upon my channel, so you have, you
I
definitely.
don't remember.
That's why I'm saying swimming pool, beach. Never have I ever said the wrong name in bed.
Oh, no. Never.
You wouldn't be sitting here to say that you have.
Exactly.
You'd be dead.
And I'll still not admit it either.
You know, answer.
That's because he has.
Apart from calling her a kitty cat.
Shut up with this.
Come kitty kitty.
Oh my God. Never have I ever sent a naughty photo to someone.
No.
I have.
Back in phone day, you never send, you never have picture phone.
No.
What? You send it by mail.
I wouldn't have meant it to send, would I?
Okay. Never have I ever blamed a fart on a pet.
All the time, including my
have.
children.
I have.
Poor Roxy. Daddy used to blame Hazel all the time.
And my children. Not having kids.
Never have I ever been skydiving.
Never.
Oh,
Who
no,
would want to?
no. I have not.
Freaking mad.
No. No.
Never have I ever hit a parked car.
Plenty of times.
I have.
Including a father-in-law.
No.
You were parked.
Huh?
Daddy wasn't parked, right?
Yeah, you were in park.
Stop.
Wait, when did you hit a parked car?
Another part. I think I shop. The
Shopping
plaza.
center?
Yeah.
Never have I ever clogged the toilet.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have not.
Like, what? Shame on you.
Daddy just stop all of the paper. Like that. Why is the paper in there? Never have I ever been the subject of a rumor that wasn't true.
I have.
I have.
Never have I ever flirted with a waiter or a waitress.
I have.
It's the only way to get a good meal.
Yeah.
This is true.
Extra prize and
Yeah.
she getting a tip, so I know.
Exactly.
Never have I ever went more than 3 days without show. Oh, Daddy said 5 days. We did it Saturday. Never have I ever been arrested.
I have.
You have, Daddy?
Yeah, I've been arrested several times.
Never have I ever lied during this game.
I have
No,
not.
I'm not.
Never have I ever sucked a girl's toes.
Gross. I have never. Oh my God.
I have.
Okay. That's the equivalent of giving a BJ. You do realize that. You do realize.
Never have I ever chipped
Let
a
alone
tooth.
having athlete's foot. God knows where she's walked.
Into my life. She walked into my
Ah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Never have I ever chipped a tooth.
Yeah.
I have.
I have.
What tooth? You have any teeth to chip?
When I was young.
When you used to have them.
Oh, when you used to.
Never have I ever accidentally sent someone to the hospital.
I have.
It wasn't accidental.
On purpose.
When I got my wife pregnant.
Uh-huh. Because I was just going to say, when did you send somebody to the hospital? But that was an accident?
No, she thinks so.
Never have I ever thrown something into a TV or computer screen.
Oh, no, I'm too mean to do that.
I have not. No.
Never have I ever locked my keys in the car.
I
Yeah.
have. I have.
Never have I ever Googled something so you would know how to sell it.
Huh?
I think spell. You try best. I sell it.
So,
Spell. Oh,
I sell, she said.
because it says sell. Oh, it's a typo. Never have I ever Googled something to check how to spell it.
to spell it.
I have.
I have, yeah.
All the time.
Yeah.
Never have I ever peeled dead skin off my feet.
All the time.
Yeah, I have.
Y'all are gross.
I mean, that's what you used to do for me. Scratch away at my foot bottom.
Oh my god. Never have I ever eaten frog.
Yeah,
I have not.
Very good.
You too?
No! Never have I ever stolen Wi-Fi from an unsecured network.
I have.
Oh, yeah.
I even steal it from the secured networks.
Well, I can't do that, but congratulations.
Never have I ever dated more than one person at once.
Of course.
I have.
Never have I ever been...
Mm-hmm.
Never have I ever been playful with whipped cream.
No.
Please say I have not. Please.
I have.
Not.
I have.
Well, let's leave it right there.
Right there.
And I hope you enjoyed your meal.
Never have I ever had a crush on a teacher.
Oh, yeah.
I have.
Yeah.
Last-
Chased into the ocean with her.
Oh boy.
I was
Last
seven.
one.
She was cute. She was about 20-something.
Wow.
Stark naked.
Wow.
It was wow.
Last one. Never have I ever had breakfast in bed.
That's very weird. Of course, we've all had breakfast.
I have.
Yeah.
That's it. You guys survived.
Oh.
That was it?
Yeah.
No. I have a request. If you're going to ask questions, make them like, spicy. I mean,
Okay,
those were
so
so tame.
leave comments down below of spicy never have I ever questions that you would like to see Babe and Dad answer in part 2. Tell them thank you guys for watching and see
Thank you
another
guys
video.
so much for watching.
See you in another video.
See you in another video.
See you in another video.
Bye.
See you in another video.
Oh, and I want donations for my front teeth. Down below, subscribe. My daughter will collect the money.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
That's
Jesus
fine?
Christ. Yeah.
Yeah?
I don't know.
Like a tip ish. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
They're right in your show.
The
I'm gonna
light.
go back. Ready?
I'll put your shoes put on right now, man.
Sometimes the shoes not show.